Introducing InVideo AI, a revolutionary platform designed to transform the way you create videos. Your gateway to financial success. Imagine having a tool that not only simplifies video creation, but also enhances the quality of your content, making it more engaging and professional. InVideo AI is a powerful tool that leverages the latest advancements in artificial intelligence to make video creation easy and accessible for everyone. Like this video, for example. No sponsor. It makes video creation easy. It uses artificial intelligence to automate complex tasks, allowing you to focus on your creative vision. This technology helps you make professional videos, even if you have no experience. With InVideo AI, you can produce high-quality videos that captivate your audience and drive engagement. Imagine this. You can create stunning marketing videos that not only look professional, but also convey your message effectively, and make engaging social media content that stands out in a crowded digital landscape. With InVideo AI, your content will not only attract attention, but also retain it, all with the help of AI. The platform's intuitive interface and smart features make it easy to create, edit, and publish videos in no time. InVideo AI makes it possible for anyone to become a video creator, regardless of their technical skills or experience. The platform's AI-driven tools handle the heavy lifting, so you can focus on your story. This is not science fiction. This is the reality of modern video creation, where AI empowers you to achieve more with less effort. This is the power of InVideo AI. It brings advanced technology to your fingertips, enabling you to create videos that are not only visually stunning, but also highly effective in achieving your goals. It is your key to unlocking financial success. By leveraging the capabilities of InVideo AI, you can create content that drives results, boosts your brand, and ultimately leads to financial growth. Embrace the future of video creation with InVideo AI and open the door to endless possibilities. In today's digital world, video is king. Businesses need videos. They use them to connect with customers and to promote products and services. InVideo AI helps you create high-quality videos. These videos grab attention and engage viewers, leading to more sales and higher profits. With InVideo AI, you save time and money. You don't need a professional video editor or expensive equipment. InVideo AI provides everything you need. AI is not just a buzzword. It is a transformative force. It is changing how we live and work. It is impacting every industry. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is everywhere. It is making our lives easier and businesses more efficient. AI is not something to fear. It is a tool to embrace. It has the potential to solve some of the world's biggest challenges. Let's look at some examples. In healthcare, AI helps doctors diagnose diseases earlier. In finance, AI helps detect fraud. In manufacturing, AI powers robots that work alongside humans. These are just a few examples. AI is constantly evolving, finding new applications every day. The possibilities are endless. AI is limited only by our imagination. On my soul. The future is AI, embracing the inevitable. As we stand on the brink of a new era, it's clear that artificial intelligence is not just a fleeting trend or a buzzword. It is a transformative force that is reshaping industries, economies, and our daily lives. AI is not a passing trend. It is a revolution that is here to stay, influencing everything from how we work to how we interact with the world around us. The integration of AI into our daily routines is becoming more seamless and intuitive. It is, without a doubt, the future. Companies across the globe are investing heavily in AI technologies, recognizing the immense potential they hold. From automating mundane tasks to providing deep insights through data analysis, AI is unlocking new possibilities. Businesses that embrace AI will thrive, gaining a competitive edge in their respective markets. They will be able to innovate faster, make smarter decisions, and deliver better products and services to their customers, while those that don't will be left behind. The gap between AI adopters and non-adopters is widening, and those who fail to integrate AI into their operations risk obsolescence. The good news is that you don't need to be a tech expert to use AI. With user-friendly interfaces and accessible tools, AI is becoming more democratized. Individuals and small businesses can now leverage AI to enhance their productivity and creativity. Tools like InVideo AI make it easy for anyone to harness the power of AI. Whether you're creating content, analyzing data, or automating tasks, AI tools are designed to be intuitive and easy to use. The future is here. The future is AI. So, are you ready to embrace it? The journey towards an AI-driven future is not just for tech giants or industry leaders, it's for everyone. Embrace the inevitable and let AI be the catalyst for your next big breakthrough. That's my good word. This InVideo AI is your ultimate content creation arsenal. This powerful tool is designed to revolutionize the way you create content, all facts. InVideo AI offers a wide range of features that cater to all your video creation needs. From beginners to professionals, it has something for everyone. These features make video creation simple and intuitive. You don't need to be a tech expert to create stunning videos. You can create professional-looking videos in minutes, saving you time and effort. Imagine the possibilities when you can produce high-quality content so quickly. It has a library of templates that are designed by professionals. These templates are customizable, allowing you to add your personal touch. It offers a drag-and-drop interface that makes editing a breeze. Simply drag the elements you need and drop them into your project. It even has AI-powered editing tools that can automate many of the tedious tasks involved in video editing. This means you can focus on your creative vision. Whether you are a marketer looking to create compelling ads, an entrepreneur wanting to showcase your products, or an educator aiming to make your lessons more engaging, InVideo AI has everything you need to succeed. Its versatility makes it suitable for various professions and purposes. It helps you create engaging and effective videos that capture your audience's attention and convey your message clearly. With InVideo AI, your content creation possibilities are endless. Quit playing my GI. Seize the AI advantage. InVideo AI is your key. InVideo AI is more than just a video editor. It is your competitive advantage. It helps you stand out in a crowded digital landscape. With InVideo AI, you can create videos that capture attention. You can create videos that drive results. Don't wait. Start using InVideo AI today. Unlock your financial potential. I put that on everything, homie. Don't just dream it, achieve it. Start your InVideo AI journey today. The power of AI is at your fingertips. InVideo AI makes it easy to create compelling videos that can transform your business. Start your free trial today. Experience the magic of AI-powered video creation. Don't miss out on this opportunity. The future of video creation is here. Peep Game Fam, go ahead and join the AI revolution. Subscribe and stay ahead of the curve. Subscribe to the InVideo AI newsletter. Stay informed about the latest features and updates. Join the AI revolution. Become a leader in your industry. The future is waiting. Take the first step today.